Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Mitsubishi ASX XLS, stock reference number 4398. This shape runs from the 7th month 2013 through to the 7th month 2019. It has a forehand 1.4 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. Forehand 1.4 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand guard, which appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear, factory alloy 18-inch mag. Good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module with neck. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate light, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, indicator type, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with no tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, four-wheel drive type, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.